Hi you guys, welcome back to another video. I recently posted everything about a skincare regimen and how to build that, so let's finally do the skincare routine together. I always tell you guys I cater my skincare routine to the day based off what I know my skin needs, so that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. I'm going to go through the products really quick, and then I'm going to dive more into the skincare routine. The first product I use is the Even Facial Spray. This is just like a nice misting spray to use after I cleanse my skin to bring moisture back into my face. The next product I used was the Dr. Loretta Micro Pill Peptide Pads with glycolic acid. I don't use this one every day, but I do use this one a couple of times a week just to kind of give my skin a chemical exfoliant to make sure I'm removing dead skin cells and old makeup and stuff like that. So this is what I use next, but like I said, I don't use it every day. The next product I used for this particular skincare routine was the Thayer's Milky Toner with hyaluronic acid and snow mushroom. If you've been following me on Instagram and TikTok for a while, you know I use this one pretty consistently. I was definitely looking to add a little bit more hydration back into my face, so that's why I reached for this particular toner. But definitely go check out my skincare routine regimen where I show you how to build a skincare routine, where I talk more about this product. But I really like this one, and I definitely recommend if you haven't tried it. In light of this theme for my skincare routine, I'm looking to add hydration and a little bit more brightening into my skin. So I use two serums from The Ordinary. I use their hyaluronic acid serum as well as their ascorbyl glucoside solution, 12%. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but it's a vitamin C serum. So a hyaluronic acid serum and a vitamin C serum to really brighten up my face for the day, as well as add in some hydration. So I kind of just mix those serums together, and then I patted them into my skin and then let my skin really set and dry before I went in with my final steps of my skincare routine. The next product I went in was my moisturizer for the day. I used the Thayer's Let's Be Clear Water Cream. It has azelaic acid, hyaluronic acid, and licorice root, and it helps to clarify skin and smooth texture, and it's for combination to oily skin. I use a moisturizer just to really lock in everything that I put on my face, the serums, the toner. I just lock everything in place with a good moisturizer, and I like this one because it's like a gel-based consistency, which works best for my combination skin, and it just leaves my skin with a nice, cute, healthy glow. So that's the vibe I was going for today. That's why I use this moisturizer. Last but not least, I went in with some sunscreen. I have been loving, and I still love, the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. It's a clear mattifying sunscreen with SPF 50. It's water and sweat resistant. I really like this one because it leaves a nice velvety finish. Just in general, if you're not using SPF, you need to hop on the SPF bandwagon because you need it no matter what your skin complexion is. But that's it for the day. I wanted to be able to do a video where I show you how to build a skincare routine, and then to show you a video of me actually doing my skincare routine for that day. So I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to do another video where I use different products on different days based off what I tell you guys my skin needs for that particular day. Let me know if that's something you're interested in. But yeah, that's it. I hope you like this skincare video, and I hope to see you on the next one, because over here we're fabulous, flourishing, and having fun. Bye.